What would happen if Earth just stopped spinning? Not slowed down, not gradually, just stopped. Right now, Earth spins at about 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. If it suddenly stopped, everything not attached to bedrock would keep moving. That means you, buildings, cars, even the air itself would be thrown eastward at terrifying speeds. Winds would instantly become supersonic. Entire cities would be wiped out in seconds. The oceans wouldn't stay calm either. Massive mega tsunamis would rise and crash across continents. Now let's say somehow you survive that chaos. A single day would last an entire year. 6 months of constant sunlight followed by 6 months of darkness. The sun-facing side would become unbearably hot. Oceans would evaporate, land would burn. The dark side would freeze completely, colder than anything humans have ever experienced. But it gets worse. Without Earth's spin, gravity would pull water toward the poles, creating giant polar oceans and leaving the equator as a dry, lifeless desert. So yeah, Earth stopping isn't just dangerous, it's the end of life as we know it. But what if Earth didn't stop, just slowed down?